All right, guys, I spoke too soon. I ended up getting two more things in the mail, and I want to do a quick video on those. Blogger unboxing, here we go. Keeping Up with the Johnsons, Beau's Guide to Blackish Parenting. It's not really one of those books that read like an instructional manual. It actually is a book, and it is it's very comical while offering up parenting advice. So this is an uncorrected advanced proof, so I can't really read too much about it. I work a lot with ABC and Disney, and so I get some things sent to me that are maybe before they hit the actual press. Like it even says on the front, this is an uncorrected advanced proof. But I will tell you, I read it, and it has like that same vein of Blackish where there is that underlying lesson that of course needs to be read, be told, but it comes with such a punchline and a delivery that it makes it really easy to swallow. So I definitely think that everyone should take a look at this. I'm not sure of the actual release date. Unfortunately, it doesn't say anything like that in the package. I'm sorry about that. I'll put it in the description below so you can find out more information. I'll add a link to Amazon with a direct purchase URL so you can go right into it. But if you are a Blackish fan, you definitely want to check out this book from Keeping Up with the Johnsons. And then the second thing that I got today was also from Urban Decay. This I actually don't have a lot of makeup on right now. This is like the makeup from yesterday. I like went to sleep with my eye makeup on. I was so tired. We ended up staying up pretty late last night. And let me open this up so we can see. So we have Petite Heat. Is this right? So it's Naked Petite Heat. And it's a lipstick. Oh no, it's an eyeshadow. I'm losing my marbles, people. This is a petite palette that holds 6 shades. It's a mix and match. It's for your lids, the crease of the inner lid, and then a demi matte highlighting shade. It's everything you need to create a range. I mean, I could just try to do one right now with my fingers. Now I have to edit this video. You have no idea what I just did. All right, so I'm gonna put the base with my fingers. You literally have no idea the mess that I made of my eyes. I should keep it on, but I'm not going to because that would be like really embarrassing. All right, so here's my base. And I'm afraid to do this again. Usually I am able to just put a little bit in my crease with my finger. I'm putting too little because I put the dark one on before and it went nuts. All right, look, I tried to do it with my fingers. It's definitely not doing it justice, but I'm not even gonna show you the mess that was. I'm gonna fast forward it. Great colors. You need a brush. Like, I don't know what I'm trying to do here with the mirror and the backwards mirror and my thumbnail. Like, I don't know what I'm trying to do here, but this is a great color palette. The colors here, let me show you the colors. The lightest color is Inhale, then Vibrate, Hot Spell, Wild Thing, Heist, and then the darkest color is Strike. So it's really good stuff, lots of good stuff for the summer. I'm obsessed with Urban Decay. If you want more information, you can head on over to Urban Decay. On Instagram, it's Urban Decay Cosmetics, and on Twitter, it's just Urban Decay. So that's all. That's the rest of what I got today. I'll split them out into 2 different days so I don't overwhelm you with lots of goods. And until next time.